In this video, we're going to go over how you can go ahead and withdraw money from Pocket Option to Binance. First, you need to prepare your Binance wallet. So basically logging into Binance, right? Make sure you verify yourself, complete the identity verification if you have not done that already. Otherwise, you'll not be able to do this. Then you just find your wallet address. So go to your Binance account, click on wallet, and then I want you to go ahead and navigate to the fiat and spot section. Now here, I need you to search for the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. For example, either it's USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, right? And then just click on deposit and copy the wallet address displayed. Ensure that you select the correct network, okay, depending on what you're choosing. If you're choosing USDT, for example, it should be, maybe, for example, let's say BEP20, right? ERC-20, depending on the cryptocurrency. Make sure you choose the correct network. The wallet address is correct, otherwise your money will be lost forever. Make sure everything is correct. I'm emphasizing. Now, next you just initiate a withdrawal on Pocket Option. So log into Pocket Option, so use your credentials, then you go to the withdrawal section. Then, here you navigate to Finance, click on Withdraw Funds, then you just select the cryptocurrency option for your withdrawal. Paste the wallet address you copied from Binance. Make sure you double check, guys. You do not want to lose your funds. Choose the correct network type that matches your Binance selection. Then just specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Okay? Remember, there might be some withdrawal fees. Keep that in mind. Make sure you have enough balance. Confirm all the details and then submit. Okay? And then Pocket Option will process your withdrawal. This sometimes may involve manual review, especially if you're doing large amounts. Just keep that in mind, and you can check your email for any verification requests. And then once approved, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain. It depends on the network, how long it takes. Sometimes it takes minutes, sometimes it may take longer. And you can just track the transaction using the hash provided by Pocket Option. And then after the transaction is confirmed with the blockchain, Binance will credit your wallet. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.